Carruthers again. I don't know what that was, but anyway, okay, there was something I guess to introduce me back on the camera again. Okay, today I'm gonna show y'all how to cook my grill hamburgers on the grillers, which we all know how to do it. With my grilled vegetables. Okay, something very easy and breezy and simple. Okay, now seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, a tablespoon of seasoned salt when you for seasoning if you want that. No, I'm not using my complete today. A tablespoon of onion powder and garlic powder. Okay, you just mix it up, sprinkle it on your food, but you do it the way you want to do it. Okay, now I already done cut up my vegetables. I got some orange pepper and green pepper, and I'm gonna put some onions in it. Okay, it's very easy and breezy, real quick, easy and breezy. So I can get off this camera. Okay, and get my onions here. Get my onions, and then I have some wheat bread that I will make a sandwich if y'all want to see it. But if you don't want bread, just eat it plain, your hamburgers, okay? This is a grill dinner or lunch if you want it. So that's what I'm doing it for. It's a grill dinner or lunch. Quick and easy and breezy. I already got my hamburgers on the griddle here. So I won't have to take all day long to do this. Because I know sometimes y'all get tired of my mouth. I'm going to try to hurry this up. And that way we can get through real fast and easy. So we don't have to be here all day. See, my hamburger was already grilling. The kind of hamburger I did use, see, I'm always doing that, throwing away the package. I use, this time I just only use ground beef from Kroger's, Walmart, Trader Joe's, whatever you want to go. I just use that. And then also I got the package of hamburgers, you know, the frozen hamburger that I keep. If you see that, I got that too. To make it easy and breezy, Walmart, Trader Joe's, wherever you want to go. And you don't spray your griller, not this one, because this is an inside griller. It's like an outside and inside griller, you know what I'm saying? So, that's all you do. But I got some real hamburgers on here too. Then once they get done, you're going to put one on the bread or whatever, just eat it by itself. You don't have to necessarily put it on the bread, you can eat it by itself. And these are beef patties, believe me, beef patties. And while those are cooking for a few minutes, in a minute, I'm going to put my vegetables on there so it can be getting done too, so that way we won't have to worry about that. You know, I'm always got a story to tell. I'm always got a story to tell. You know, one time, it was a long time ago, I had many friends. Yes, I did. But, you know, now these days, it's like, you know, you can't have too many friends. I don't know what's going on. You know, like everybody want to get mad at you and don't want to call you no more, don't want to talk to you no more. So all you got now is Jesus. And if you got kids, you know, daughter, son, grown, young, whatever, they're your friends, I hope. I know my son, my friend. And you married, got a husband, wife, whatever, they're your friends. I know my husband, my friend. And I got another son, Tori, he's my friend. Okay. Now, of course my grandchildren are all my friends, yes, but God's number one, yes. And so, you know, we have brothers and sisters, sometimes they're your friends, you can talk to them sometimes, but we all have problems, you know what I'm saying? I have problems, my son had problems, my husband had problems, I guess they do. My family have problems, I guess they do. I can't say it, but I guess they do, my sons, and I don't know. But you know, I just go ahead and live my life and do what I can do. You know what I'm saying? So that's all we got is God. And we need to just go ahead and live our life. And like I told my friend a long time ago, to make a long story short, I told her she had man problems. But she didn't want the man. You understand what I'm saying? She didn't want the man. The man was a good man. And she didn't want him. You know, people don't want you until somebody else come along and get you. You know what I'm saying? When somebody else come along and take you, and then they want you. And that's crazy. But some people do want you, you know, regardless of what. And sometimes they don't show it, and sometimes they do. But she never showed the man. She never showed the man that she want that man. Never did. Never did. And so, you know, they was together about 5 years, 10 years, whatever. And so all of a sudden, somebody else came along. They came along, and I told her, I said, if you don't treat that man right, somebody else going to get your man. Somebody else going to go out with your man. Somebody else going to treat your man right. So you need to get it right. You needed to get it together, girl. Get it together. This is true. Without all that, some people wear a lot of makeup. A whole lot of it. A little lipstick, a little that. No. I'm real. I'm real. Okay? I don't have to change my face for nobody. And where they come from, it's just at the blue sky. But anyway, back to the story real quick. So I told her, I said, if you don't tell that man you love him, if you don't show that man you love him, somebody else gonna take him. But she didn't believe me. She didn't believe me. No. What you saying? Was it me? No, it wasn't me. No, baby. I got a good husband. Like my son said, Mom, I ain't never seen you happy with a man like that the way you is happy with your husband. We all have problems. Thank you, son, for noticing again. But we all have problems. You understand what I'm saying? But this here, what I try to tell her, because ain't nobody perfect, ain't nobody relationship perfect. We have ups and downs, falls out, whatever, misunderstanding, misled, misused, misabused. We have it all. But you know what? I said, okay, if you don't treat this man right, somebody gonna get it. Okay? Yeah, what? Somebody got it, and she happy with him. She happy with him. So ladies, same as fellas. If you got a good woman or you got a good man, treat them right. Y'all treat each other right. Tell each other you love them. You ain't got to do it every day. Just show each other. And stop going out there when we women stay in the house getting all pretty up for y'all, doing what we want to do, smell good. Sometimes we have too much perfume on. Hope it takes baths. I know I do. No disrespect. No disrespect. But I'm going to tell y'all something. Tell her you love her. You ain't got to tell her every day. Show her you love her. You know how back in the day they bring flour, chocolate candy, and all that stuff. I wouldn't get that ourselves. But we appreciate it. Yeah. And then ladies, do the same for your man. Do the same. Sometimes we women peep over and see another man we looking at catch our eye. Men do it too. They see another woman catch her eye. Some women go off on you. Some women, I'm telling you, man, she be like she have a knife in her hand. Why you looking at her for? Why you doing all that for? Some men, they don't say nothing. Some men will say, you want that nigga? That's why you ought to hear them say anything. They'll probably go out and do something stupid to make us mad because we looked at them. Okay, look can be deceivers, you know. Oh, it can. Oh, it can. But I'm going to tell you something. You think the grass is greener on the other side, but it's not. No, it's not. I'm going to tell y'all. Try it if you like it. I've been there and done that and did that. Now, you think the grass is green on the side, but when your woman gone, your man gone, oh, where my baby go? You upset now. You upset trying to get him back. Too late. Too late. Treat him right. Treat him right, baby. Treat him right, baby. Treat him right, baby. Ho, ho. Treat him right, baby. Treat him right, 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 baby. Ho. Treat him right, baby. Ho. Excuse me, son. Grandchildren, I'm just on here doing my thing. Having fun. Having fun. Yeah, I'm having fun. I'm having fun. I'm treating right. Yeah, I'm treating right. Whoa, whoa, I'm treating right. I'm treating right, treating right. Woo! I'm treating right. Woo! I'm treating right, treating right, treating right, treating right. I'm treating right, right. Treating right. Now, okay, and y'all excuse me for that. I just got happy for a minute. But the thing about it is, like I told him, I said, you need to show that man you love him. You need to show that man you want him. You need to show that man that you care for him. But she didn't. No, she didn't. So, the other woman came along and got him. I'm here to tell y'all this story. Well, for right now, I'm going to let this story go for a minute. Because you know what? Because if you don't treat your woman right or your man right, somebody else is out there waiting on them, and somebody else is out there to grab their hands. Somebody else going to be with them. Do you hear me? Okay? And if you got a problem, talk it over. Don't go to another man, another woman trying to solve your problem. Talk it over with your mate first. If that don't work, my bad. I don't know what else. Too bad that you do go to somebody because they should have been listening. Should have been listening. Let me get myself off of this camera for a bit. You see, because of you or she, another man or another woman, walking down the street with your woman or your man, hand in hand or whatever, smiling, whatever. You know what? He got your woman and gone. And she got your man and gone. And having a good time with him. You know what I'm saying? So treat him right. You see, I do mine the anyway, and you do yours your way. You're never too old. You're never too old. All right, y'all. Y'all know I got to have me some music for a minute. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Now. To know that I win, I was mad. I want you to know that I had very good. I want you to know that I love you, man. I want you to know that I'll take you, man. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. I want you to know I'll win out with you, man. I want you to know that I'll take you, man. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Now you know, 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 now you know. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. I want you to know that I went out with your man. I want you to know that I'll take your man. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. 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 I'm gonna take you, man. Now, did you hear that? And that's true. She took her man. let me get through with this right quick. Because I thought we don't have enough fun for one day. Because I know I has. I done had my fun for one day. Enough is enough for me. Let me get these vegetables sauteed real quick. Because it's time for me to get off of this camera here. See, look at that. That's the grilled hamburger. And there's a couple more up under there. Yep, looks pretty good there. Okay. Now I'm gonna get these grilled vegetables. You see that? Don't they look good? Okay, and it's very easy and breezy. It don't take a lot of time for nothing. Don't take a lot of time. Then I got 2 buns, bunny buns. Stick it up here on the grill real quick. Let it get kind of warm. I got my mustard. I'm going to get me a piece of tomatoes. Okie dokie. What else I got in here? So, all right. My lettuce. And my pickle. And a piece of cheese. You know what I mean? Now, if you want yours any other kind of way that you want to put on yours, you do that, okay? It's up to you. For me, myself, I just go the simplest way. And if I show y'all that I'm going to eat it or not, I go the simplest way, honey. My bread, get a little titty with it brown. Piece of cheese here. Get my cheese ready. I'm seeing this my grill is up high enough. Okay? So I can hurry up and get through with this. Make it easy and breezy. Come on now, we gotta get this done and over with. And you know what the vegetables are for? It's for your size. The vegetables is for your size. You know, if you don't want French fries and all that stuff, you can use the vegetables. You know, if you don't want the French fries, use vegetables. It'd be better off. Okay, now my bread is getting kind of warm now. So I can put my cheese on it. I'm gonna put my cheese on it. Okay. Here's my bottom on my bread. I'm gonna put some mustard on it. But what you want to put on it is up to you. I'm put my cheese on the bottom. Put me a hamburger on here. Of course, I got lettuce, y'all. See, I got some lettuce here. And when I'm gonna put a slice of tomatoes on it, we're gonna hook this up, okay? Put a slice of tomato, slice of onion. You can put bacon on it. You can put what you want to put on it. It's up to you. I'm not doing all that. And I'm gonna put a slice of pickle on it. See my pickles? Now my vegetable is ready. And my other toast. You see my toast is ready. Put a little mustard on that. And my vegetables is ready. Now you don't have to cook these vegetables You don't have to cook these vegetables no more than 5 or 10 minutes, however you like it. You see, because I do mine the anyway, and you do yours your way. This is the anyway. You hear me? You're never too old. Okay. Now, let's get this ready here. This is my burger. You can make it a double burger, and I'm gonna do it. A double burger, like that. See that? Looks good to me. And I'm gonna cut my grill off. And I'm gonna get me some of these vegetables here. Like I said, these vegetables only to do substitute of your French fries. You don't necessarily have to do French fries. You know. And I'm gonna show y'all something. There you go. That looks good to me. Don't that look good to y'all? I know it look good to me. You see? All right. Now, and if you want a burger without all of that mess, a lot of bread and all that and all this and all that. I don't want bread. I don't eat bread that much. But it's up to you. You can take a burger like this. There's my lettuce. I'm going to show you some. I'm just using those simple iceberg lettuce that I got from Walmart, Kroger's or whatever. Just those simple stuff. Just those simple lettuce like that. That's all it is. And you don't have to put no cheese or nothing on it. You don't have to. And you can take some of this. Take some of this. Just take your burger. Yeah, you can put your burger down like that. If you want it like that. Just vegetables. You can just only do vegetables. You don't have to do all that old mess. Just vegetables. That if you want to lose some weight. And you can take a piece of this tomatoes. There we go. Get a little thin piece of tomato. And set it on top of it. You can sprinkle your little mustard if you like. It's up to you. And this is how you can eat your burger if you don't want bread. You see that? And don't that look good? I didn't put no cheese on it. It ain't nothing but the vegetables and the lettuce and mustard and hamburger. And so this is how you want to eat it if you want it. Without French fries, you can start with this. This is onion. Good and crunchy. The hamburger, you can cut it with a knife or whatever, but I ain't got time for that. Good and done. Wow. Your orange pepper off the grill. I almost dropped it. Your bell pepper off the grill. Piece of tomato with the lettuce. So I got the lettuce on there. Okay. That's what you call good eating. Right. Without bread. Now, if you like what I cooked today, my grilled hamburger on my grill inside the house, with my seasoning salt I showed y'all, with my vegetable, orange, pepper, green pepper, onions, that's all I use. Then you just sandwich with your cheese and your pickle, any kind of cheese you want. I use American Kroger cheese, mustard, mayonnaise, whatever you want. If you like that, give me two thumbs up. Subscribe, share, and like. Until next time, this is Annie Carruthers. You're never too old to do what you want to do. You're never too old. Remember that, okay? Now, because I do mine the anyway. and you do yours your way. You hear me? This is the Annie Way and the Annie Show. This is 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 the Annie Show. Until next time. I got you, man. Got you, man. I got you, man. Be careful out there. Love one another. Until next time, give me 2 thumbs up. Those are beef hamburgers. 2 thumbs up. Share, subscribe, and like. Comment if you want. Until next time. Bye-bye. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. No. Now you know. I want you to know that I win, I was mad. I want you to know that I had a very good time. I want you to know that I love you, man. I want you to know that I'm gonna take you, man. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. I want you to know I'm when I'm with you, man. I want you to know that I'm taking your man. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Now you know, 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 now you know. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. I want you to know that I went out with your man. I want you to know that I'll take your man. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Now you know. 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 I'm gonna take you, man.